Hello and welcome to this tutorial on regional business news. This tutorial will cover how to access regional business news, what kind of information is available, and how to do a search. To get started, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. Regional Business News is on this list. Regional Business News provides comprehensive, full-text coverage for regional business publications, incorporating 75 business news magazines, newspapers, and newswires from all metropolitan and rural areas within the United States. This is the Regional Business News homepage. Regional Business News is an EBSCO database, so the interface may seem familiar if you've used other EBSCO databases in the past. You can use these options to set up your search. For example, you may want to limit your search to include only full-text resources, peer-reviewed journals, or limit to a specific date or date range. Let's do a sample search using the keyword finance. The number of search results will appear here at the top of the page. You can use the options on the left to filter your search by source type, subject, and publication. Let's limit to full text and narrow the subject area to public spending. As you can see, this dramatically reduces the number of results. Once you find an article you're interested in, you can either click on the full text link or click on the title to open a detailed description of this resource. The detailed view will show you the citation information as well as an abstract, so you can determine if this article will be helpful to you before reading the article itself. To access the PDF, click PDF Full Text on the left side of the page. Here you can browse the article contents and download the PDF. On the right side of the page, you'll find export and print options, as well as a citation button that can show you how to properly cite this source depending on the type of citation you need. If you're looking for a specific publication, you can use the Publications button located in the upper left corner to browse by subject or title. Now you know how to access regional business news, what kind of information is available, and how to do a search. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.